Okay, in this video, you will see how to create a newspaper, magazine, any kind of WordPress blog website with free theme and plugin. Okay, so for this video, we'll install one theme and two plugin. And the theme is News Card and the plugin is our Elementor Builder and Classic Editor for uploading our blog. Okay, all of us will go to Appearance, then click on Theme. Okay, then Add New, and then we'll search News Card. And then we will install this theme and activate. Okay, now they are recommending us to install a plugin. Okay, we'll do so. Okay, install is complete. Now go back to record plugin installer. Okay, now we'll activate, and now we'll go to our plugin, and from plugin we'll click on add new. From add new we'll install our classic editor and activate. Then we'll click on add new again, and we'll search our Elementor Builder, and then we'll install now, and now we'll activate our plugin, and we will exit this page. It's not necessary. Okay, now we'll go to Appearance, then click on import demo data, and then we'll go down and click on create content, and there are few pages and menu. Whatever you want, you can import them, and it will save our time. Okay, click on import, and things will be imported. Okay, we have successfully imported all the pages and menu, and now if I visit this site, then my site will be look like, and this is how my site is looking like. Okay, now we'll start customizing our website, so that I will give you the idea so that you can customize your whole website. Okay, click on customize. Okay, there you can change your color, header, media, background, image, menu, widget, homepage, setting, layout, social, profile, header, top stories, post, and banner, header, post, footer, post, news card, etc. What about to customize our site? To create a blog website, all of us we need to go to our post. Okay, there are post option, categories, and tags. Okay, first of all we'll go to categories, and we'll create few categories like news, sport. Okay, we'll create two categories, one is news, one is sport. And okay, first of all let's do it news, and now sports. Done. And there are main stories, editor pick, trending stories. We can create three more categories. Okay, main stories, editor pick, trending stories, okay. Now we'll go to tags, and we'll create few tags with the same name, like what we did first was news, sports, then main stories, editor pick, trending stories, main stories, editor pick, trending stories. Okay, I will upload 2 or 3 posts. Not was necessary all the text, whatever. I wanted to show you how things work. Okay, suppose if I upload 4 to 5 posts, include news categories, then there can be tags like Corona news, sports news, and etc. This kind of things. Now, if I go to post and add a post, suppose this is the post I want to create now. Okay, suppose this is a headline. I'll copy and paste, and now I'll take the description. Suppose this is the description. Okay, now this is what kind of thing news is this? Okay, suppose I will make it our main stories. Select main stories from tags. I will select main stories again. Okay, and now we'll upload our feature image. I will download this feature image. Here is the one. Okay, set up as feature image. Now click on publish. Sorry, title was wrong. Copy, paste, update. Okay, now we'll add another post. Suppose okay, I will. If I go to BBC again, from news I will take one post, which is this one. Okay, this is our title. Here is our description. Okay, and this is news category, and tag is also news. And then I will upload this feature image. Okay, this is the feature image. To download this image, simply click on save. Okay, no, this is okay. I have a extension which is image downloader. If I click on image downloader, here I will can download this image easily. Okay, now upload this image and from open set as feature image. And everything is done. Now click on publish. Okay, now I will upload another post which is suppose sports. This is the one. Okay, this is our title. Click on add new, another post. Okay, this is my title. This is my description. Okay, and now this is a sports news category, sports, tag is also sports. Okay, and this is my feature image. Okay, I have to download this feature image. Again, image downloader, and okay, upload. From upload, this is the image, and make it a setup feature image. Okay, now publish. Okay, now I will upload all these 3 images here. Okay, first of all, in the main stories, I want to customize, so I'll go to banner. From banner, go to feature slider, and then make it show post from category, and it should be main stories. Something is wrong. Wait, if I go to categories, Okay, there are categories, but in case of posts, okay, this is the one. Did I make it category? Main categories? Yes, I made it. What's wrong? Wait. Okay, if I refresh, and I go to banner, slider 1, show post from categories. Here I can choose a main stories. Okay, because I did not refresh the site, that's why problem happened. Okay, this is how I can choose a post in my main categories. If you want to edit those two, you can go to feature post 1, feature post 2, and from here you can choose your category or your tag, anything. And suppose in this case popular stories, I want to make it news. Okay, then what I have to do is change the name to news and choose from category and choose news. Okay, it's done. Now I will go to bottom again, and there is one more section which is image. I will make it sports. Show post from category, and I choose the sports category. Okay, I hope you understand how things work. How can you so this is how we can customize every single sections, and in this way you can create any kind of blog website, no matter it is news, health, insurance, anything. So if you want to customize your menu, then you need to select the menu, view or location. Here you can select a menu. So to select a menu, you definitely have to create a menu. From appearance, you can go to menu, and from menu you can create a menu by giving a name and create menu, and then you can select all the categories you want, or you can make custom links, etc., whatever you wish, and save menu, and it will be saved, and then you can select from here. Okay, I hope you understand this video, and I hope it was really easy for you to understand or create a website similar to this. So it was all for today.